Hello, boys and girls. Today we are still in Unit 9 and the title is On Holiday. For today's lesson, we are going to look through for this topic and it's revision time. Let's move on. Okay, by the end of this video, you should be able to listen to a recording audio and you have to identify true and false statement. And for second task, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct past tense verb. And finally, you should be able to write positive and negative sentences based on the pictures. Okay, move on to the first task. Okay, so this is a listening task. You have to listen to this audio, and what you see on the screen is actually the listening transcript. Okay, so if you cannot catch what is playing on the audio, you can read it on the slide. Okay.
Activity 2. Listen and write T for true and F for false. 1. Hey Faye, how was your holiday?
Oh, it was great.
Where did you go? Did you go to the Blue Mountains?
No, we didn't. We went to an island, Rocky Island.
Wow, it's beautiful there. 2. And what did you do on Rocky Island? Did you go to Pinewood Forest?
Yes, we did. It was very quiet there. There was a river too.
Did you swim in the river?
No, we didn't. We swam in the sea.
3.
The beaches are sandy. The water is so blue. I found a very big shell.
Wow! Did your father catch any fish? He's a great fisherman.
No, he didn't. He swam and relaxed on the beach.
Alright, so basically that is the audio. And after this, what should you have to do? Okay, you got to answer this quiz. So this link will be provided on the WhatsApp and you just have to click it and it directs you to the quiz. Alright, move on to the second task. Okay, so for the second task, there are 4 pictures with 4 different sentences. So what you got to do is you got to fill in the correct verb in the blank. Okay, for example, the first picture, Katie found a shell on the beach last Saturday. And the second picture, Steve and Serena looked at the fish yesterday. And number 3, Angie and Peter swam in the sea. And finally, Anne ate her mom's chocolate cake. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, for this one, there are 3 pictures. This is number 1. And they have given you some guidance, some word as a guide. So if you look at this picture, they didn't make omelets. They made sandwiches. So I've changed make here into made. Why? Because this didn't shows that these things happen in the past. Alright. So when it is past tense, we use didn't, but we didn't change the verb here. So they didn't make omelets. But for the second sentence, I didn't put do. That's why I changed this verb into past tense verb. So they made sandwiches. Okay, now let's move on to the second picture. Okay, see snake, see shark. Okay, there's a difference between the first sentence and the second sentence. This is negative sentence because it has didn't. Same as the previous slide, the first sentence is a negative sentence. Okay, so look at this one. She didn't see a snake. So didn't, when I use didn't, I will use the root word see. It cannot be changed, okay? But look at the second sentence. She, then I change see into saw because I didn't put do or didn't in front of the verb. So she saw a shark. She didn't see a snake. She saw a shark. Okay, and lastly, okay, buy postcards, take photos. Okay, the same thing. I guess by now you are able to create a sentence, right? So he didn't buy postcards. So I used didn't to show that this thing happens in the past, but I keep using the root word here, buy, because there's didn't in front. But for the second sentence, he took photos. I changed take into took because this is in the past tense. So he took photo. So basically that is all for today's lesson. I hope you can complete your worksheet and you can try the quiz. If you have anything to ask me, you can reach me at this number. Alright, girls and boys? Okay, so stay safe and have a very good day. Thank you very much.